friends! Today we're embarking on an unforgettable adventure to El Medano on the island of Tenerife. This place is simply amazing, and I can't wait to share all the emotions with you. First, we arrived at the beach, and I immediately felt the urge to dive into the waves. The sand was so soft and the water was cool and refreshing. I jumped and splashed in the waves like a true sea explorer. Then we headed to the promenade, and my attention was immediately drawn to the people surfing. They were true masters of the art. I watched them with admiration, dreaming of learning to surf myself. After a short walk, we decided to have a snack at one of the cozy cafes by the shore. I tried local snacks and drinks, and each taste awakened new emotions in me. It was magical. Then we climbed up to the viewpoint to admire the breathtaking view of the ocean and mountains. I could feel the wind caressing my face, and my heart was full of joy and excitement. I had such a wonderful day in El Medano, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with this place too. If you ever have the opportunity to visit Tenerife, be sure to check out El Medano. It's an adventure that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Please give it a like, as it helps the development of my channel.